Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you the most useful tool in my arsenal as a restoration technician, and that is this Dewalt single speed impact. I absolutely love this thing. It's lasted me 3 years. There's my hand for scale there. Super compact, super lightweight, easy to get into those small spaces. Now when I bought this thing, it didn't come with any impact driver bits, so I ended up picking some up. And as you can see here, I got a 1/2 inch, a 3/8 inch, and a 1/4 inch. I recommend getting all three. You can buy them individually, but don't. It's not much more money, and you aren't even going to realize that you are going to use all three. I mean, I do use the 3/8 the most, but I recommend getting all three. Over here, we got a $10 kit of a bunch of different drivers. It comes even with a 5/16 driver with a magnet in it. Great for screwing in self-tappers if you're doing any sort of mock-up work for floor pans or anything before you weld it in. Really like this thing. I'd recommend picking up one of those. This driver has a great battery life. I left it outside for 2 months and it stayed charged. So I can't even believe that. I loved it. Comes with a charger when you buy the kit, and it even comes with a great bag. Check this thing out right here. I've had it for about 3 years now. It's got a couple wrinkles in it, grease stains, but it still holds its shape. It hasn't had any tears. I love it. It gets me through everything I need. Now this whole thing you can buy today for about $100 if you catch it on deal at a hardware store. I bought mine for about $150. I think it's worth $150, so getting it for $100, absolute bargain. And if you want to charge it, it's just as simple as snapping it into place. And on the underside of these chargers, there are positions where you can clip it into a set of screws and a countertop. So if you're trying to set up your shop really well, you can get one of them. And right here, this is exactly how easy it is to just throw in one of those drivers. I really recommend this thing. Go pick it up, guys, and like and subscribe if you want more content. I'm going to be doing some builds here soon.